Today I'm going to teach you how to download a PNG file with a transparent background in Adobe Express. This is incredibly useful when you need clean graphics without any background for presentations, social media posts, or web design projects. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to new.express.adobe.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in to your Adobe Express account. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Adobe Express dashboard where you can access all your projects. Now look for the Recent Files section on your dashboard. This is where Adobe Express keeps track of all your latest projects, making them easy to find and access. Browse through your recent files and click on the specific project you want to download as a PNG file with a transparent background. This will open your design in the editor. Once your project is open, direct your attention to the top toolbar. Here you'll find various editing options that control how you work with your design. Click on Edit Page. This action allows you to make changes to the current page and access additional customization features that aren't available in the standard viewing mode. After clicking Edit Page, shift your focus to the left panel of the screen. This is where Adobe Express houses most of its design controls and editing tools. In this panel, locate and click on Color. The Color option gives you control over the background and various color elements within your design. From the color options that appear, select Custom. This opens up more advanced settings that let you fine-tune the background properties beyond the standard presets. The Custom option is essential for achieving that transparent background we're aiming for. Now you'll see a slider next to Opacity. This is the key tool for removing your background. Click and drag the opacity slider all the way down to 0 or as low as needed to completely remove the background. As you adjust it, you'll notice the background becoming more and more transparent until it disappears entirely, leaving only your design elements visible. With your transparent background now set, it's time to save your work. Look to the upper right corner of the screen and click on Download. This initiates the export process and brings up the download settings where you can specify exactly how you want your file saved. In the Download menu, navigate to the section labeled File Format. Click on the drop-down menu next to it. This reveals all the available file format options that Adobe Express supports for downloads. From this list, select Transparent PNG, best for images. This specific format preserves the transparency you just created and ensures your file maintains its quality without any background. Finally, click the Download button to complete the process. Your file will begin downloading to your device as a PNG with a transparent background, ready to use wherever you need it. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded your Adobe Express project as a PNG file with a transparent background. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.